Happy Thanksgiving. It's a Soggy T-Bird Day. Do we get a partridge and a pear tree? No, we get a turkey lurkey and maybe a ham and some taters, gravy and stuffing, macaroni and cheese baked in the oven. What else? I don't know. The basic T-Bird fixins. And we have pies afterward on a Soggy Thanksgiving Day. Soggy. A Soggy T-Bird Day. It's the soggiest T-Bird Day. It's the soggiest T-Bird Day. It's gonna be a soggy day. We'll have to get dinner cooking underway on the Soggy T-Bird Day. It's a Soggy T-Bird Day. Don't let the weather keep you at bay. Enjoy your T-Bird on Thanksgiving Day. Be thankful, yo. There's a lot to be thankful for. Happy Thanksgiving 2019. Soggy T-Bird Day.